In Cape Town, South Africa, the Office of the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights launched last week a new global campaign for lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender equality. High Commissioner Navid Pillay, Archbishop Desmond Tutu, and Justice Edwin Cameron joined forces to address the need for both legal reforms and public education to fight against homophobia and transphobia.
A campaign like this is critical right now because of the enormous human rights violations suffered by LGBT people. My office at the United Nations regularly receives reports of individuals who have been attacked, sexually assaulted, kidnapped, tortured, even murdered, simply because of their sexual orientation or their gender identity.
Free and Equal campaign followed the first UN report on violence and discrimination against LGBT persons, which found many human rights abuses.
This campaign is timely, it is essential. May it become a source of light, may it become a source of rejoicing, may it become a source of self-identification and of claiming of humanity by people who are LGBTI, but also the claiming of humanity by people who are not LGBTI. Because in denying our humanity, you deny your own.
Today, in more than 76 countries, consensual same-sex conduct remains a criminal offense. Violence against LGBT people has been recorded in all regions of the world.
I cannot worship a homophobic God. Thank you.